Okay, guys, so as you can see, I have this error, forbidding error 403 on my WordPress website. This is what I'm getting. And let's just go ahead and let me show you how to fix this error. I don't know what all of a sudden it's showing this. So let's just go to a cPanel, and once you're in your cPanel, you go to your website folder, and you want to look for HT access. Once you're in your website folder, for us, I have it here. I'm going to rename it to something else, like let me just dot old, uh, and then go to a new file, and then click on there. And then what I want to do is I will say dot access. Okay, forgive me. It's actually dot ht access. Okay, yeah, dot ht access, and then create. Once it's created, I want to right click on it and then edit, and paste in. I have this link under the description, so just paste in this code. Okay, and save, then go back and refresh, and voila, here we are. So thank you guys for watching. That is how you solve the forbidden 403 error. Thank you guys, and see you next time in another video. Bye bye.